Welcome, little learners! Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to explore the concepts of heavy and light. Are you ready to dive in and discover the wonders of weight? Let's get started. Do watch till end and answer the quiz. What's in the picture? Yes, we can see a watermelon and a strawberry. Now, can you guess which is heavy and which is light? That's it. The watermelon is heavy, while the strawberry is light. Just like in our picture, we can see strawberry can be easily lifted, but watermelon cannot. So, what's the takeaway? When we group objects by weight, we discover heavy and light items. Pretty cool, huh? Let's keep exploring and learn even more together. Meet Lily and Tom, our adventurous friends. Tom is carrying a heavy backpack, while Lily's backpack is light as a feather. Look at this rock. It's heavy and solid. Now, look at this feather. It's light and delicate. Can you feel the difference in weight? The elephant is heavy with its sturdy body, while the bird is light and nimble with its delicate wings. Each has its own unique weight. Time for a quick activity. Let's dive in and test what we've learned. Which bucket has more weight? Put a tick on heavy bucket. Yes, very good. Bucket full of water is heavy than the empty bucket. Which vehicle light in weight? A bus or a bicycle? Very good. Bicycle is light and bus is heavy. Let's explore a few more examples of heavy and light using a weighing scale. When we place a heavy object on the scale, it goes down, and when we place a light object, it rises up. Let's check it out. Children, what do you see in the picture? A lock and a key. Which object is heavy? Let's place it on a weighing scale and check it out. So what is the result? Key rises up, so it is light, and lock is heavy. Flower is heavy or plant is heavy? Plant is heavy and flower is light. A pot is heavy or a spoon? So what can we see? Pot is heavy and spoon is light. Great work, explorers! You've mastered heavy and light today. Now, let's put it into practice in your own adventures. Whether lifting toys or sorting objects by weight, keep spotting heavy and light in your daily life. Learning is everywhere. Thanks for joining us on this thrilling journey. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning. Don't forget to check out our other videos too. See you next time.